To inspect or replace the air filter on your Razor RS1, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, pull up on the latch behind the seat near the seat bottom and tilt the seat forward to remove. Then, turn the 2/4 turn latches on the air filter access panel and pull up to remove. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the airbox area using a clean, dry cloth. Then, unlatch the 5 airbox cover clips and carefully remove the airbox cover. Inspect the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage, and replace if needed. Next, remove the air filter by sliding it towards the right side of the vehicle. Inspect the filter for excessive debris or damage, and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean out the inside of the airbox and the cover thoroughly. Next, install the air filter and ensure it is fully seated. Then, reinstall the airbox cover by aligning the lower retention tabs and pivoting in. Then, secure the 5 clips. Before continuing, inspect the cover to ensure it is fully seated. Next, re-engage the retaining tab on the air filter access panel and firmly press down on the top of the panel to secure. Then, secure the 2/4 turn latches. Next, reinstall the seat by aligning the front tabs under the retainer bar and pressing down in the rear to engage the latch. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.